Hello, everyone. Welcome to our class.
Let's start together. Welcome. Let's learn about the letter G.
It's made of grapes and guava. G is for garden and goat.
What a delicious way to learn.
G.
Let's draw the letter G.
Okay, how do we start?
First, the curve. Now, the small line inside.
Wow, it's finished. Thanks.
You're welcome. Great job. Hi there. Let's write the letter G together. Start with a big curve going down and around. Now add a small line inside, like this. Great job. You did it.
Hi, let's learn to write the letter G. First, a big curve from here to here. See, you're doing great. Now, a small line inside. Perfect.
This is G. Go.
This is G.
G.
This is G. As, twice. Now the back.
This is G. G, curve around. Little line. G is for goat.
This is G. G, G, G. Curve around. Little line. G is for goat. G is for goat. This is G.
G,
Curve around.
for a little line.
G is for goat. G.
This is G. G.
G. G is for goat.
G is for goat.
This is G. 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 G is for goat. You did it! Thanks for helping. Anytime, friend. This is G. And G is for goat. Wait, it's moving. It's alive. Whoa, it's bouncing. A bouncy G. Best lesson ever.
This park is grape-tastic.
The alphabet has never been so fun.
Let's keep hopping.
Whoa, I'm feeling wobbly. Your fruits are exploding.
Catch them.
This is bananas.
G, G. Let's learn the letter G.
G.
Yes. Now you try.
Whoa, that's bad. All right, class, let's carry our H to the garden. Yes, I'm full of healthy fruits like figs and bananas.
Wow, they're so colorful.
And yummy.
Exactly. H is for healthy and happy learning. Hee hee, time to play. Whoa, the fruit is talking. Woof, this is fun. Incredible, they're dancing. Let's roll. Okay, but don't go too far.
Whee!
H. 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 Okay, team, let's make this H perfect. I'll get the middle bar ready.
This is so exciting.
I'll help with the right side. Great job, everyone. Time to make some art. Hey, watch the H. The H is morphing. Down, down, across, back across. H is the head. Letter H. Letter H.
Down.
Down.
Across. the middle.
Down, down, then across.
Wonderful. Down,
Wow,
down,
so cool.
across. I am a hen. Let's practice the letter H.
Down, down, H, across.
Careful, too much H.
My turn. H is for happy.
And hopping.
Class dismissed. H. Hatch. Hatch.
H.
H. H. H. H. H.
H for horse.
H. Hello, horse friend. Whoa, your mane is turning into me's. What are you, an H horse? Hee hee, we're H buddies now.